Welcome guys in this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a question story in Instagram. Click to this add button and then go to your story and now click to create. As you can see there is many options: happy birthday or add a gift or yes no question or this. Okay, I'm going to ask a question in here. For example, I ask my friend that they know my YouTube channel name or not. Do you guys know? Okay, you can change the color of this if you want to. So I'm going to select this color and then click to next. Okay, and send to and then share to your story. Okay, now done. So when your friend see your story and they maybe say something in here, uh, not yet, and then they will send you. Okay, now if they send, so now if you want to see the response of your friend, open your story and then slide to the top like this, and then there is the response. Okay, so let's reply. If you want to reply this, click open, and then if you want to delete, share response or message to. So now I'm going to respond to this my friend, and then so let's type. I type my channel name in here. You can change the size of the text, and from here you can change the color of your text, and then say next, and then send to, and then share. Done. Okay, so now you have two story. So now you ask it to your friend this story, and then one of your friend responds to the not yet, and then you answer this question. Okay, this is how to create a question story in Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.